Welcome to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I got this set of nails. These are Barbie doll pink baddie spring set. So I'm going to be starting off with my nude shade, and this is the Gaoy Gaoy gel polish. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to be starting off with my nude base for this set of nails, and for this set of nail I was going for a Barbie doll pink baddie spring, set. So that was the theme for this set. So for this nail, this pinky nail, I only did half of that nail with this nude color, but I did go back in and do half of the bottom of that nail clear gel polish. But for the rest of the nails, I'm just going to be doing the whole nail pink, basically, with this pink sheer gel polish base. And remember to, after you apply your gel polish, you got to clear your gel polish in your lamp for 60 seconds. And also, how's everybody doing? I know it's spring going to be coming. A lot of people going to be coming to get their nails done and want different ideas. So that's why I decided to record while I make my press-on set. So if anybody want any inspiration for any nail sets, you can always refer back to my page and see exactly how you can do these sets. Or if you want a custom press-on set of nails, I do create press-on nails, pretty_press-on_plug on Instagram and here on YouTube. So what I'm starting off doing is I'm going to be doing this first nail, and I'm just going to be doing this nail a French tip. And I'm going in with my Beetles gel polish for this nail, and I'm just using my fine liner brush to create my smile line and to create my my French tip for this nail. And then after I finish doing that with the just drawing the shape of the nail, the design, I'm just going to be filling it with that gel polish and putting it in my lamp for 60 seconds. So while that nail is dry, I'm going in with this nail, and I'm using my Blooming gel to draw on my design. So what I'm doing is I put some of that Blooming gel onto that little palette that you see there. The Blooming gel is clear, so you can't see it, but I am going in with this same fine liner brush, and I am creating a I think this is also a French tip for this nail, but I'm applying Blooming gel in that shape that I want, the in the shape of a French tip, basically. So with the Blooming gel, you got to be very careful and don't apply too much and not too thick as well. So now I'm going in with that same fine liner brush, and I'm going in with that hot pink. This is a hot pink from Beetles gel collection, and I'm using this pink on my fine liner brush to create this crocodile, kind of like a alligator print on this nail. So with all my sets I try to do freestyles. I do a lot of freestyles when I'm doing and creating my different nail sets, whatever the case may be. So I'm just going along with the flow. I didn't really have a theme. I just wanted it to be pink, white, and a little bit of black for this set of nails, and everything to be a lot different. Every nail to be different, basically. So as you can see, just use that gel polish. I put that nail into the lamp after using that Blooming gel. Now for this nail, this was the first nail that I did with the French tip. After I cured it, now I'm going to be creating my cow print, but I'm going to be creating my cow print with pink. And I'm going in with that same pink gel polish from Beetles collection, and I'm using the same liner brush, but at the opposite end of it is a dotting tool at the opposite end. So I'm using that dotting tool to dip into my gel polish, and I'm just creating random just random splatters, random blobs of the gel polish to create a cow print, because how cows are, like, that's not a uniform print. It's just everything is different, basically. So I didn't have any reference photo. I was just going off the top of my head when I was creating this set of nails, basically. So I didn't want to do, make sure you don't do the cow print, whatever cow print you're doing. Don't do it too close because it's going to look too bunched up. And I did do random dots as well, just to fill in the, you know, the empty sparse areas where there's nothing in those areas. I did wanted to put a little bit there. So that's what I did there as well. And for the side of the nail, don't forget the side of the nail as well. I didn't go over the line for the friendship, but I did go around it just to make sure that every part of this nail has a design on it, basically. Make sure you take your time so you're not making any type of mistakes and have to try to clean it up. So after that nail, I did put it in my lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm going back with this nail now. So the first thing I did with this nail was I did it with the pink blooming gel, and I did it with the you know, the lines with the pink. But now I'm just going to be going in, and I'm going to be adding a little bit more pink to this. Oh no, I'm sorry, excuse me. This nail is a nail that has like the smiley faces, and it look like the smiley faces is like dripping, you know, like it's melting kind of. So I'm just going to be creating these random circles, not even circles, like random shapes that look kind of like a circle that is falling or melting, or just different circular shapes basically. And that is going to be the background for, that's going to be the base for the you know, the smiley faces that I'm going to be creating. And I'm very open to ideas, so let me know if you guys have any ideas as far as any nail sets that you guys want me to create here on my channel. If you don't know how to do a certain design, if you want to see how I create a certain design or a recreation of someone else's work, I can add my little twist on it so it's not entirely the same thing as someone else's work. But I can also do you know, inspired nails, or like I said, recreations of other people's work. If you want to see how you do certain styles and you're not sure how to do it, leave it down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to make a dedicated video towards whatever you guys want to see here on my channel. So for this nail, I'm going to be using that same pink and white gel polish, and I'm just going to be using a brush to just scoop some of that polish onto the nail, and just making just applying that polish directly onto that nail, basically all around evenly. And then I'm going to, this is the nail that I'm going to be creating my marble nail effect, and I am using my dotting tool to create that marble effect. So with the marble, you know, it's really easy, as you can see. Like, some of these styles, they look like it's really more complicated than what they are, but once you get the hang of it and see how it's done, it's really, really easy to recreate. And if anybody wants a custom set, I do. The name of my channel is Pretty Press On Plug, and my Instagram is also called pretty_press_on_plug as well. So if you guys are interested in ordering any custom nails, any length, any size, any design, basically, I create all press-on nails. So you can DM me for your custom order of your press-on nails. I do gel press-on nails, and I do acrylic press-on nails as well. So, you know, DM me if you want to place an order with me. And it's springtime, so, you know, I just wanted to come out with a little bit of brighter color, and, you know, start with some brighter color, spring colors, and create some more fun, bright sets. So I'm going back in with this nail that I had cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, and this is the one that I'm going to be doing those smiley faces on. And I'm just outlining the outline of each of these circles with my black gel polish, and this is by Beetles as well. And just outlining with that dotting tool. I'm using the dotting tool to put it into that black gel polish, and I'm just going to outline all of these nails. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I am a self-taught nail artist. I'm self-taught, and I learn a lot and I research a lot as well. So that's how I'm able to learn how to do different sets of nails, and it just comes naturally for me when it comes to learning and just creating different designs. I have a lot more videos coming up with these nails, and I do have another channel here on YouTube. It's called Yadrissa, Yaadrissa, and that is my channel where I create hair and makeup, and I also do cosplay makeup, special effects makeup as well on that channel. So you can go ahead and check me out. I do wig installs, and I do hair styling, and like I said, makeup, everything on that channel. So yeah, go check me out over there as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe when you go over there to my channel. Show you girls some love. Let me know that you followed me from, you found me from over here on a Pretty Press on Plug, and you just came over on that side to show some love. So now with this blooming gel now, I did do the pink by itself, but I thought that it looked kind of plain, so I just wanted to add some white. So I'm just taking that white gel polish, and I applied another layer of that blooming gel, and I'm just using my liner brush to apply my white gel polish from Beetles to this blooming gel nail. And then after, I'm going to cure this back in my lamp for 60 seconds. I really like how that pink and white came out together. It really made that nail stand out more when I add that white to this nail. So now I'm going to be taking my same fine liner brush, and this brush I did get from Amazon. It came in like a pack of 7 like that, with different lengths, different sizes of the brushes basically. So I'm just going to be creating a French tip line, and make sure you bring that line all the way up too, because these nails are very long. These are 3XL long nails, so you do have to bring up that French tip a little bit higher than you usually would. And I'm just going to be taking that pink and just filling in the remainder of that nail and curing it in my lamp for 60 seconds. Make sure you cure after every time you apply your gel polish. Don't forget to cure your nails. So for this nail, I decided that I wanted to do a cartoon anime pop art nail. So that's what I'm creating on this side. I'm going to be outlining this nail with my black gel polish first. And when I do the cartoon sets, I do like to put that outer line, whatever color it's going to be. I like to make that line a lot thicker than the other nails, than the other lines that I create on the cartoon nail, because that outline, it makes it, to me, when I look at the nail, it looks like it stands out more when that outer line is much thicker than the rest, because it looks more cartoonish and animated to me. So that's what I'm doing here. Taking that fine liner brush, dipping it into that black gel polish, and outlining the nail first with that black. And I'm not going to cure my nail yet. I'm just going to continue to draw my pop art nail. So this pop art nail is really just a series of lines and dots and swirls in different areas to give that effect of a cartoon effect. So that's all it is when you really do the cartoon effect. So I'm just going to go in and do all my black lines first with that gel polish. And then after I finish doing my black lines, then I'm going to go in with my black dots wherever I'm going to place the black dots for the cartoon nails. And then I'm going to continue with the white lines and dots on this cartoon nail as well. As you can see, I'm using that white gel polish from Beetles as well. As you can see, I'm just doing random lines and dots as well to give that effect. And I'm just turning the nail just to see different areas where I can add some, a little bit more, or if it's just needed, or if that's it. I did apply a gel top coat on the nails after I finished or this whole set, just so it could be like nice and shiny and stands out. I didn't want to do a matte set for this, so that's what I decided to do after I put a top coat of the white over the nails after I was done with the nail. So this is how the nails came out. This is the pink Barbie Freestyle summer set. So this is how the nails look. A little bit of a close-up. I think they're really pretty. They came out really, really nice. Don't forget to hit that bell notification and like, comment, and subscribe before you finish this video. And go check out my other videos that I have here posted on my channel, and connect with me on my social media platforms. See you in my next video. Bye.